Hello, Jennifer Weber here. I'm going to make you a video to help you log in correctly to typing.com. We're going to be talking about the correct teacher login for typing.com that gives them the students no ads as they type. So as you come to the typing.com page, you will click on teacher login. Do not click login with Google, as this will use your shortened username at D51 Schools account, and that's not what is registered with typing.com. What's registered with typing.com is your full name and your full last name at d51schools.org. After you type that in, you're going to put your password in. If you're making a new account, it will ask you to put your password in. And once you're logged in, you may see your screen and it may have students on here if you've used it before, but more than likely it'll be blank. And you're going to set up your classes. When you click up set up your classes, it will come in and show you more screen. I have set up some other classes. And this is the area where students are approved or rejected. You have to approve all your students or they can't get on. So remember to come in and approve your students. And you just click it and click approve, and it sends out the approval to them. They can just start. So to create a new class, you're going to click create a new class, and you're going to type in the class name. It does organize them by this first class name in alphabetical order, so you can keep that in mind. The rest of this I don't change. Once you add a class, you'll see that it's in here. This is the one I just made, has 0 students, and tells you the grade. So we're going to click on this. To add students, you can send it many different ways. But the way I do it is this has a student self-join link, and I take the link and copy it. And once I copy that link, I put it in Schoology or Google is what I usually do. And then I give them instructions on how to do it. I make a video like I am right now, and I show them how to join. And so this part of the video shows them how to join. They would go to the URL, and they would right click and paste the link. And then they would come to this page. It's important to tell them that don't go to typing.com first, that they will just paste that link. They can use existing or go and create a new one. I've noticed that even if they create a new one and they log in with their Google, it creates an existing one anyway, but it's under my my teacher name and with no ads. So it doesn't really matter. And once they create that, they can go ahead and sign up with Google. It doesn't matter for them. That shortened version is just fine. And then they click sign up and they can start to type. So that is typing.com, setting it up for a teacher with no ads.